How's it going, folks? It's fairly late in the afternoon, and I thought I'd toss some food in for the fish. I actually shot an update for you guys this morning, looking at the PureCrop1. It wasn't, you know, really exciting. It was just me wandering around, chatting to you guys while I was spraying the garden. The only issue was that the sound didn't record at all. So it just got me, got to watch me flapping the lips as I walked around and sprayed all the bits and pieces. Now, we've had a fair bit of rain today, so I expect everything I sprayed on this bed here, the potatoes and most of that bed over there, has been washed off. But I'm hoping that it was early enough this morning that the mites and the aphids that were sprayed got knocked on the head. Might actually just walk around and suss out those onions, or the chives I should say, as it starts to rain again, just to see. Oh yeah, there is a marked decrease in the amount of aphids on here, so I might come out again tomorrow and have another look. Well, some of these leaves that weren't sort of facing upwards may have a few on them. And I made sure that this capsicum, or sweet pepper in particular, got a really good spray. Likewise the chard here, because I do find that chard does tend to pick up a few mites here and there. So it will be interesting to see how they go. I actually did a lot of the editing for the video this week, looking at the basic aquaponics system. And thank you to everyone who has contributed a couple of pictures in that. If you are supporters, I really do appreciate it. Also too, I really need to thank Brian and Michael. There we go, that's a bit better. Thank you to Michael and to Brian for giving me a couple of reviews for the consultation page. I'm still working on the consultation page for the website, and I hope to have it up very soon. If there are any other supporters out there that I've done a consultation for, if you feel like doing a review for me, I really would appreciate it. You can just send it to the email address that I'll leave in the description down below. Hopefully, yeah, I'll get that up and running in the next couple of weeks. At the moment though, I'm still pretty much all focused on just doing the basic aquaponics video, and then I have a couple of review videos to do very soon. And I'm also stopping by a local chap's place next week, or maybe the week after, I forget what day we agreed on, to look at his sand filter. He runs a couple of sand filters on his aquaponics system. He's going to give me the lowdown and also run through how he cleans them. So that will be a video coming to the channel very soon. Also too, the header or the banner for the YouTube channel has changed. So if you want to suss that out, I'd be interested in any feedback you folks have to give. But yeah, these fish have almost knocked all that feed off already, so I might give them a little bit more in a tick. Update on, the only other update I really have on the system is that I'm turning the valve off on the mineralizer today. Let it settle overnight, and then I'll decant the water out and clean that filter down there tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much all it. Oh, the bok choy has to come down from upstairs as well. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of an update either Friday or Saturday, just showing you a few other things that have gone on with the system. But I will pretty much leave it there. I do hope you're all well and happy, folks. Thanks again for all the support. We really do appreciate it. And I will catch you hopefully tomorrow afternoon or Saturday morning with an update and also the early look at this week's video. Just came up to edit the video. Look what happened. Yet another downpour. It's a river down our backyard. So yeah, as you can see, we have a real drainage issue, and I think there's a few small bits of hail there as well. So all that water is going to pool down the back and eventually soak down into next door. Really would like to be able to trap some of it in a little bit of a swale just there where that IBC cage is, and run it down to another swale where the lime tree is, and then to another swale down the back, or swale-like structures we'll call them, not actually swales. But yeah, dare say a couple of thousand litres have gone into that back corner. I really need to get back to editing the video for you. So folks, it looks like yeah, the grow beds are going to overflow the sump tank, especially considering this one is about to go. So I'm going to go over and pull off probably that one there as well. So yeah, that was one heck of a storm that came through. It only lasted about 15-20 minutes. Lee, if you watch this, how are you faring over there? So anyway, I will definitely wrap it up now, folks. I've got to go edit it and upload it for you all. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you later.